How to add your activities to your profile on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and then click on your profile here. After that click these 3 points, click edit profile. Now scroll down until you find interests, and here we'll find activities. Now click on it and add here any activity you want. Type here anything you want and then save it, and that's it. I hope that can help you. It's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.